What if I told you that you can make restaurant-style chicken mandi biryani at home with juicy chicken, smoky Arabian rice, and rich spices that melt in every bite? Today, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step chicken mandi recipe that tastes even better than takeout. Stay till the end for the secret smoky charcoal trick that gives authentic mandi flavor. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need chicken, long-grain basmati rice, yogurt, onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, green chilies, mandi spices, saffron milk, butter, and fresh coriander. For spices, use cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves, black pepper, cumin, paprika, turmeric, coriander powder, and salt. These are the ingredients we need. For the chicken marinade, you'll need 1 kilogram chicken, 1 cup thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon paprika or Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1½ teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons oil. For the mandi rice, 3 cups, basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes, 2 large onions, thinly sliced, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 3 green chilies, 4 tablespoons butter or ghee. Whole spices, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. You'll also need 5 cups chicken stock or hot water, saffron soaked in warm milk, fresh coriander, fried onions, lemon slices, and 1 small charcoal piece for the smoky flavor. Take 1 kilogram of chicken and make deep cuts using a knife. This helps the marinade absorb deeply into the meat. In a large bowl, add 1 cup yogurt. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1½ teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons oil. Mix everything well into a rich, spicy marinade. Now coat the chicken completely on all sides. Massage the marinade into every cut for maximum flavor. Cover and marinate for at least 1 hour. Overnight marination gives even better results. Now let's prepare the flavorful mandi rice. Heat 4 tablespoons butter or ghee in a deep cooking pot. Add 2 sliced onions and cook until golden brown and caramelized. Now add the whole spices, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cardamoms, 5 cloves, 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. Cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Next, add 2 chopped tomatoes and 3 green chilies. Cook until the tomatoes become soft and slightly mushy. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix well. Add the soaked basmati rice and gently stir for 1 minute so the rice absorbs all the flavors. Pour in 5 cups chicken stock or hot water. Add salt to taste. Finally, drizzle saffron milk over the rice for beautiful color and aroma. Now place a grill rack or steaming tray above the rice pot. Arrange the marinated chicken pieces on top. As the chicken cooks, all the delicious juices drip directly into the rice below. This traditional mandi method creates deep, rich flavor. Cover the pot tightly with a lid to cook on low heat for about 40 minutes. The chicken becomes tender and juicy, while the rice absorbs all the aromatic spices. Let the smoke infuse into the chicken and rice for 5 minutes. This gives the mandi its signature restaurant-style Arabian aroma. Gently fluff the rice using a fork. Transfer the fragrant mandi rice onto a large serving platter. Place the juicy chicken beautifully on top. Garnish with fried onions, fresh coriander, lemon slices, and roasted nuts if desired. And there it is, homemade chicken mandi biryani that looks absolutely stunning and tastes even better than restaurant food. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world.